everyone, welcome back to Psych Life. For today, I will introduce you about the guidance services, the school counselor services in my school. So, since our school is an international school, our students are from different countries, so highly multicultural and highly diverse. So, we adopted the ASCA school counseling model, American School Counseling Association model, and it focuses on four major services: guidance services, individual planning, responsive services, system support. All these core services focus on academic planning, personal social development, and career planning. Now, I'll give you a tour here inside my office, school counselor's office. So here, this is the school counselor's office in China. Yes, and this one are the different services that we are offering based on ASCA. And this is the door that says welcome school counseling and student services, and I am here for almost 11 years, and these are the universities that visited our school, books, some toys for the kids, lower school kids, because if the lower school kids are in my office, I need to process some behavioral, emotional issues using those toys. Okay, so here, if you look at the model that we are using or I'm using, it is also introduced in the Philippines. I think in De La Salle University, Manila, there was a conference about the ASCA model in school counseling. But of course, schools, counselors, they have the choice what type of model they will use based on their experience, based on their background, based on the vision, mission of the school that they are into. So in the succeeding blog, I will focus on specific content of the four services. So stay tuned, please subscribe and follow this blog. Thank you.